Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best Orbital Car Polisher. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Coxfasa. Full copper wire and high temperature resistant motor, powerful and practical. The transmission is more stable. 7-gear speed adjustable, can control the rotation speed of the machine, suitable for different materials polishing, waxing and sealing glaze. 1 to 3 gear for jade and porcelain, 3 to 5 gear for leather and floor. Suitable for automotive, woodworking, furniture industry, hardware, electronic components and electronic equipment covers, etc. Number 4. Brand name, Audible. 1 to 6 gear speed adjustable, can control the rotation speed of the machine, suitable for different materials polishing, waxing and sealing glaze. 1 to 2 gear for jade and porcelain, 3 to 4 gear for leather and floor, 5 to 6 gear for car and furniture. Low noise gear transmission, higher precision, light body. 1 button locking switch is easy to operate, polishing evenly without hurting the paint. Full copper wire and high temperature resistant motor, powerful and practical. The transmission is more stable. Suitable for automotive, woodworking, furniture industry, hardware, electronic components and electronic equipment covers, etc. The auxiliary handle can be installed on the left or right side, without slipping, and more labor-saving. Number 3. Brand name, SPTA. The body is made of imported plastic, which allows the operator to use it more smoothly, while reducing the sense of vibration. Practical design, low noise and low vibration. Adjustable speed from 1 to 6 gears, according to the speed selection of different working conditions. Differentiated polishing is more efficient. Prevent the polishing wax from splashing during startup. There is a comparison chart of the speed of each gear on the fuselage, so that the operator can understand it immediately. The overall speed is from 2000 revolutions per minute to 5500 revolutions per minute. Real-time adjustment and output of powerful power, always maintaining a constant speed. There is a square raised fixed switch on the side of the fuselage, which can be fixed in the open position, allowing the operator to operate more smoothly without being restricted by the switch. Optimize the air circulation system to prevent dust from entering. The heat dissipation effect is good, and the power is protected from burnout. According to the frequency of use, it is necessary to clean the air inlet and outlet regularly, which helps to improve the service life of the machine. Before starting, please adjust the speed to a low speed to prevent the polishing agent on the polishing disc from splashing. According to the frequency of use, please blow the motor inlet and outlet with compressed air 1 or more times a week. Number 2. Brand name, Batoka. 6-speed variable control dial allows you to adjust the speed of the car polisher according to different applications. Easily adjust your speed without stopping from 1000 to 3800. Operational performance management. Ideal for cars, boats, motorcycles, marble, floors. Low speed waxing and polishing. Medium speed to polish and clean, while high speed to remove paint defects and oxidation. Batoka's professional design team is dedicated to creating something new and different car polisher. It is unprecedentedly cool and helps to make your car cool and shiny. Comfortable front grip, body sense curved handle is not easy to fatigue. more accurate operation. High-quality motor, durable and strong pure copper wire. Number 1. Brand name, Posipro. 900-watt motor is designed for high-effective polishing. Thumb adjustable speed dial, wide 600 to 4000 revolutions per minute speed range allows for faster compound and superior final polishing. 6 variable speed setting provide all the speed needed to gently or firmly thread surfaces and maintains an even revolutions per minute rate even when applying a little pressure. Auxiliary handle improves comfort and control for optimal user preference. Billet counterweight with multi-bearing design ensures smooth, precision balance with increased durability. The dual-action oscillation relies on 2 simultaneously operating spins to keep heat and friction to a minimum for surface protection, ideal for polishing buffering cars, boats and bikes.